Hey gang, today I'm printing two mirrored parts. In a previous Instagram you may have seen I was using a lathe to make this part. I didn't do a very good job of it, but I'm going to try again later today. Watch for that. Now, in the middle of this part I'm supposed to put a hole right through the center, like this, but you can see that I missed. It's not in the right place. So there's a two-part problem. One is getting it in the middle of this line, and the other is getting it the correct distance from the end. This jig is going to hold the bar of metal before I trim the ends down, and the T section is where I put a bit where I've already tapped a hole right through the middle. This piece is what's going to go in the T section, so I can put a drill right in here and tap right through the middle of the bar in exactly the right spot. I also got me a new pipe cutter that I can use to score the tube in the right spot so I don't mill past where I need to, and I've been using it to cut these rods. My question to you is, what's the best way to make sure that the end here is clean so I can fit the rods together?